Introducing Marvel's 380A PC3 fully automatic vertical tilt frame bandsaw. This machine is equipped with many innovative features. The PC3 programming board features full-color touchscreen control, a user-friendly interface, and is capable of part programming for as many as 500 jobs. A unique aspect of the saw is its 60-degree mitering with left and right mobility. An important aspect of this machine is its patent-pending quick change column design. Blade cuts are adjustable from 90 degrees to 3 degrees forward cant. This improves cutting efficiency and reduces blade stress. The 380A PC3 features a 1 1/4 inch blade. The direct force sensing electric feed combines more consistent feed force with greater control. The saw also features a 48-inch double ball screw automatic bar feed, as well as a high-speed travel for faster cycle times. A subtle but critical feature is its pop-up roller support. This provides catch for excess material. The machine's design ensures that vise adjustment is quick and easy. The machine also has an easy and convenient blade change procedure which helps improve safety. Its easy load blade guides make blade positioning smooth and simple. The Marvel 380A PC360.